Protect yourself. The divine, the most high, your guardian angels, your spirit team are protecting you from what you cannot see. You're to a level in your spiritual growth and development that a lot of the attacks that are sent against you, they literally don't reach you. One of the things that I speak about on here is there is a way that you can program yourself. There's a way that you can program your aura to where when people send negativity against you, they speak against your finance, they speak against your life, they speak against your health, they speak against you in any negative way, you can program yourself in a way that we don't even need to send it back to sender. No, we take that energy and we transmute it, and you can program yourself to where when they send those things, it has the opposite effect. So when they send something against your business, you actually become more successful financially. When they send something against your relationships, you actually succeed more in your relationships. When they send something against your looks or your beauty, you actually become more beautiful, more handsome. Many of you are to the level to where you're even ready to do that. But I say that to say there are a lot of things being done behind the scenes that you're being protected from. A lot of you have people who are very envious about you. Some of you have enemies that it's almost like these people's entire mission on earth is to come against you. You have people that you do not even know that wake up and the first thing that they think about, the first person that they think about is you. They have people on earth that go to sleep and the last person they think about before they go to sleep is you. These people are obsessed. I did a video about this too. You make people obsessed. Obsession is never a good thing. Some of you have even been in romantic relationships that the person could have been like, I'm in love. And no, it wasn't. It was obsession. You're being protected. And this is just a confirmation to understand, even when you don't realize it, when you're doing your thing, the peace that you're feeling, you don't realize what you're being protected from in the spiritual realm. A lot of you have such a higher level of protection too, to where you don't feel these things at all because you have been consecrating yourself. Whatever you're doing to consecrate yourself, to protect yourself, this is one of the reasons why you feel none of that. For those of you who I'm speaking to, there's certain habits that you might have had, certain vices that open certain doors and portals you've completely closed. Some of you, even the way that you share your energy, a lot of you could be celibate and things of that nature. A lot of you are also being very protective of your energy. Your boundaries are solid. You're very clear about people who you allow in your life and people who you don't allow in your life. You're very clear about people that you're conversating with and people that you're not conversating with. You're very particular about what you're consuming, who you listen to, who you don't listen to, what type of music you listen to. This is important because one of the messages here is to keep doing that, because this is why your level of protection is so high. There's been seasons in your life where you had certain doors open, and it wasn't that your spirit team wasn't fighting for you. It wasn't that your guardian angels weren't fighting for you. You had doors open, so some things were still getting in, even though you were being protected in larger ways from things that did actually touch you or did actually reach you. Now that you're mentally, spiritually, and physically truly consecrated, shout out to everybody who has the holy water, holy mist, you're to an entirely different level. Now that you're not have any of those doors open, your level of protection is insane. So let's talk about this. You're being protected from things that you can't see. And one of the things that's going to happen is that you're going to see firsthand the different people and places that have been coming against you. Some of you are going to be getting reports. Some of you are going to be getting told this person was doing this behind your back. This person was doing this about you online. And anytime a message comes to you, anytime that you find out about somebody who's been doing something or working behind your back, is because they're being dealt with in real time. These people are going to be dealing with everything that they wish against you. Even before their finances get touched, what's going to happen with a lot of these people is they're going to have certain illnesses and certain conditions that they cannot get rid of. Some of these people were literally stealing from you, and some of these people were stealing from you to where it would manifest monetarily because they were going straight to your spiritual altar. And they were stealing from it. Remember what happens when a thief is caught. They have to pay back 7 times what was stolen plus their entire household. Some of these things in certain seasons of your life did touch you. They did block you. And for a lot of you, this blocked you financially. Some of you, this could have blocked in terms of your relationships. Some of these people prayed for you to have counterfeit situations. They prayed for you to come in contact with people that would deplete you and actually close off your heart space, because this is the most powerful energy center of a chosen one. What you're going to start witnessing is your finances are going to start multiplying. Some of you are going to be getting finances out of the blue. And this could be in terms of your job. This could be in terms of your business. This could be in terms of friends or people that surrounded by you. This could be in terms of your community. You're going to witness that there's almost an increase. Like some of you is going to feel like your money has multiplied by 7. Some of you is going to feel like your money has multiplied by 10. And this is because things are going to be returned to you. They're going to come in different ways and be spaced out over time. But this is going to be a compound effect where you're going to have a total recovery of everything that was stolen, but it's also going to be multiplied by more. So whatever you were meant to have in life, whatever was taken from you, whatever was paused on your behalf, now you're going to get even more than you originally were supposed to get, if that makes sense. So let's say your inheritance was times 2 of naturally what you were supposed to have that they were stealing from. Now it's going to be times 7. Now it's going to be times 10. And for some of you, you're going to get specific information about these people. And some of you are really going to take this to litigation and take this to court. And some of these people are literally going to lose all of their possessions. Some of these people did very dark arts against you. And this is the thing, because remember I said, for those of you who this is for, you're not feeling it at all. So you're not thinking about this. You're not realizing that some of these people who were coming against you when you did have certain doors open and you were affected by certain things, some of these same people and these same energies are still at play. So I say same energies because some of the people have given up. Some of the people have stopped working against you, but the spirits that they set in motion, the practitioners that they went to, those energies are still at play, but they're not effective. They're not reaching you. However, there are still things playing out because of the things that these people have done. Remember that every cause has an effect. So if you put something out, it is not going to return void. The energy goes and flows to different places. Some of you are listening to this and you might think this part doesn't apply to you, and you're going to be shocked when it comes out, and when it comes to you, like, wow. I had no idea that some of you was like, some of these people could have made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of something that you've done that you don't realize that they've been using. Some of these people have been taking your work and using it in other countries. Some of you have been taking your work and using them like in underground spaces. Some of you have been taking things that you've done and they have like cults that are sheltered and kind of kept away from different places so that they wouldn't come across you. But this is going to be exposed. And some of you, this is so big that you're going to be able to take this to litigation. You're going to have plenty of evidence for it. And some of the people that were consuming these things that actually belong to you, they're also going to be some of these people that start to come across you and see that it's original content. And they're going to also be even willing to testify on behalf for some of these people. Some of these people are getting ready to lose. When I say everything, literally everything. And some of these people is going to be in the form of litigation. We know how the divine works. For some of you, this is literally going to be something that goes to court. Some of you, this could be so big that this is something that makes international news. And the thing about it is, this is not only going to bless you that you get back what was stolen, but this is going to bless you in a way to where whatever it is that you have going on now, millions of people are going to know who you are. And again, it always goes back to this Bible verse. Everything the devil means for bad, God means for good. Say it with me. Everything the devil means for bad, God means for good. You're getting ready to experience this in your life to complete degrees. You're going to see the years of struggling and the things that you went through, especially some of you knew and you could feel that people were working against you. Some of you, there were groups of people like, this is how you know you're chosen. Like it's so weak. It's like, think about in the real world. Let's say you're one person and to come against you, they got to jump you. They can't fight you one to one. They can't fight you man to man. They can't fight you woman to woman. So they got to bring a whole crew. This is the same weakness that a lot of these people that practice the dark arts do. They got to bring a whole coven. They gotta get a whole group, and not just a group, but then they also conjuring spirits. They get in groups of these demonic spirits, groups of them to come against one person. All of them about to pay, everybody attached to that. And you're going to have some people that was a part of it that thought they were doing the right thing because these people lied to and manipulated them. You're going to have some of these people coming to confess to you because they're dealing with consequences too. They want to kind of, in a sense, clear the effects that's happening to them because they realize they were aligned with the wrong side. And so some of these people are going to be coming to confess to you so that they can clear what they've done. And for some of them, it might very well work because some of these people were bamboozled into doing things that if they knew, they wouldn't have done it. But some of these people were really misled. And that's a person's problem if they're being misled. You should have the intelligence. You should have the awareness. You should have the heart to do your own due diligence before you hop on any bandwagons with anybody about anything. Some of these people that were clicked up with these people, not knowing that they were on the wrong side, are going to be coming to confess these things to you too. We're talking about health. Finances starting to crumble there. Then some of them are going to start having problems in their homes. Some of these people were able to purchase homes, purchase properties because of what they stole from you, because of how they lied on you. They're going to start having certain issues I'm seeing in the foundations of their homes. So some of these people are going to have such foundational issues in their home that it will be more expensive. It won't make sense to get the repair. These people are going to have to leave, end up losing certain things due to earthquakes, sinkholes. This is serious. And these consequences are so serious because these people did serious things and worked with serious dark energies to come against you. You're not feeling any of these things now. You're to a point where you might even feel like, well, don't nobody do dark arts on me anymore. But it's because you just don't feel it, because nothing is blocking your success. And again, one of those reasons is because you closed all the doors. Keep those doors closed. Continue to do what you're doing. Continue to consecrate yourself. Holy water, holy mist. This is all available on altarbodyco.com. And remember, we have our holy oils and the whole holy kit you can get from the David kit. Some of you use this. Some of you that feel like you're dealing with certain attacks, I highly recommend for you to get this. I consecrate myself with this daily just to stay in the space. It's just like how sometimes people pray when they need something, but then when things are going good, they don't pray. So no, we use our holy mist daily. The altar body code is about understanding that your body is an altar. So we do our daily consecrations. We're on it daily. Even scripture tells us what to renew your mind daily. So this is how we renew our mind. This is how we renew our spirit. This is how we renew our energy. So even if you feel great, it's great to also continue to give that extra layer to keep yourself protected, to keep yourself covered in these times. These people are going to be losing marriages. This is interesting. So for some of you, there was a person that was interested in pursuing you, and this person actually intercepted that and formed a connection with this person. Some of you, this person could have gotten married to this person. They could have been dating or living with this person. Some of you, they could have had kids with a person that you were meant to cross paths with, but there was some type of destiny swap. These people are going to be losing these relationships. This is the level of the consequences. This is how much they wished against you. Some of them wish for your children to be unalive. Some of them wish for certain things that I won't even mention, but you can fill in the blank. You can use your own imagination to happen to you and your children. These are people that are sick. These are people that were dealing with demonic energies that smell like sulfur. They were dealing with the depths. Think about prison sewage. Okay? As I said that, I was just seeing that scene of Shawshank Redemption. That's why I said that. But they were dealing with the lowest of the lowest spirits and energies to come against you. These people went low as they could go. Now they're being brought very low, and it's going to be a slow bleed. This is what they're going to be experiencing over the course of their life, for coming for a chosen one unjustly, for thinking that their daddy, the devil, is actually the boss in charge when there's only one. There's only source. There's only truth. There's only love. There's only light. That's where all power exists, and love conquers all. The love, the seed of the Most High that's been in you, Holy Spirit that's been in you, your spirit team that's been around you has kept you from so many things. Even though some of you were temporarily touched by these things at one point, for 1 year in full recovery mode. And when I say these people are going to pay, they're paying. So remember, as things are coming to you, as people are telling you what people have done, as people are confessing to you, some of these people are going to confess what they've done. As the truth starts to come out to light, understand when it's coming out to light is because they're already dealing with those consequences in modern day time. YouTube Takeover 2026 is our official masterclass of 2026. This is for those of you that are ready to take everything that you're doing to the next level. If you have a professional career, if you're somebody who you're creative, if you're somebody that you're an entrepreneur, if you're somebody that you're in school, YouTube is a great opportunity to take anything that you're being led to do to a completely different level. I've been on YouTube for many years. I have multiple successful YouTube channels, and this is something that I'm completely certified to teach other people how to achieve the same kinds of success that I've had over the years over many different channels. Okay. There are some channels that I have that has millions of views. I remember my first time that I got, and this was a long time ago. Now it would get way more money than that. But I remember my first time that I hit 5.6 million views on one of my videos and got my first 20K check. Now, depending on your niche, just to throw numbers out there, you're getting $1 million a month, not just on the video, but on your entire channel views. That's about 10K per month, depending on what it is that you're doing. So for this YouTube Takeover Masterclass, my job is to help you to align what your purpose is with the correct goals and how to actually use YouTube for what you do. A lot of people miss the mark because they get on YouTube and they use the wrong formulas. They copy the wrong channels. They think, okay, this channel does this. Let me do this and see if it works for me. And no, you are not in the right paradigm. You have to understand what type of channel are you actually running? What type of goals should you actually have in terms of views, in terms of monetization? What do you need to specifically do? What does your 30 to 60 to 90 day blueprint need to look like for you to see results and to get those consistent results and carve space for yourself on YouTube? This is what YouTube Takeover 2026 is all about. For those of you who do get tickets, if you want to proceed further with the one-on-one YouTube mentorship, which I highly recommend for people who are serious and ready to take their channels to the next level, you'll be able to reduce the cost of the ticket price from our YouTube Masterclass from your one-on-one session if you book it within 30 days. This is for people who are serious. This is for people who maybe you haven't done YouTube, but you just don't know where to start. You've been contemplating. You don't know how to come. This will be great for you if you're serious and you're ready to dedicate that time. Others of you who've been trying to do YouTube on and off, trying different social media platforms, this is going to be great for you if you've been doing things, but you're like, I'm not seeing any growth. I'm not getting any views. This is going to be something that helps you to align what your actual goals are and what they should be with what it is that you do. This is how to distinguish yourself. This is an intensive, not just more information, not just more theory, but we're going to actually give you what it takes to have the actual application to succeed. So if you would like to join the YouTube Takeover 2026, all the links are below. I love you all so much. I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all willing? Peace.